Hi sir, my name is Yuen, metric number 262543. In this video, I'm going to present the final project for the subject mobile programming. My final project title is Badminators. Badminators is an application that provides a platform for badminton lovers to join their preference badminton club or nearest badminton club available. This application is exclusively for badminton lovers who don't have a fixed member to play with. So let's start the application. And then log into the application. In the main panel of the application, it contains all of the badminton club available, which display in the card widget. Each of the card widget contains the image of the badminton club, the name of the badminton club, the state of the badminton club, and also the contact number of the badminton club. User can choose one of those badminton club to see the badminton section of the club. For example, I choose Chermore Badminton Club. The Chermore Badminton Club contains the Monday session 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. and Wednesday session 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. If user wish to see the details of the badminton session, it can be done by clicking certain badminton session here, and it will show the badminton session details. The badminton session details will include the information of the session ID, when the badminton session held, and also the price per session, the location of the badminton session, and also the remaining place for this badminton session. If user want to attend this badminton session, it could be done by clicking the attend button here, and it will show the dialog. Are you sure you want to attend this session? And we click yes, and it will successfully save. After we successfully save the badminton session, which means it's also successfully saved to the database. So we check on the database. And the table here show the badminton session that we saved just now. So the saved badminton session also will appear at the checkout panel. So to go to the checkout panel, we can click on the checkout icon here. In the badminton session that we saved just now also appear in the checkout panel. In addition, we also can save the badminton session of other club. For example, the Subang Jaya Badminton Club, the Tuesday session. We attend this session, yes. And we check on the checkout panel. This also contains the Subang Jaya Badminton Club session. For the checkout panel of the application, if user wish to delete their saved badminton session, it could be done by long press the badminton session, and we will pop up the dialog. Are you sure to delete this session? Click yes, and the saved badminton session will be deleted from the checkout panel. So it's also same for the database. The session that we delete just now also will disappear from the database. The total amount here also will change according to the price of the badminton session and number of badminton session. Currently the total amount is 12 ringgit because there are only one session here with the price of 12 ringgit. Now I will add another session. For example, Nusa Jaya Badminton Club, Wednesday session. Attend this session, yes. So we check on the checkout panel. The total amount will change to 24 ringgit because there are two sessions here. One session with the price of 12 ringgit and another one session with the price of 12 ringgit. So 12 plus 12 is 24. So if we delete one of those, the total amount will change back to 12 ringgit. If user wish to make payment, it could be done by clicking the make payment button. It will show the dialog. Are you sure to pay 12 ringgit? So we click on OK, and it will generate the bill for payment. So this is the bill for 12 ringgit, and we click on pay buttons, successful payment, and it will show the receipt for the payment. So after showing the receipt, we click on the back button to return to the application, and the checkout panel here will be empty. And then we take a look to the database, refresh. The badminton session that successfully paid will also remove from the database and move into another table of database, which is the table of paid session. So paid session is a table that used to store the badminton session that successfully paid. So that we back to the main panel of the application. It also contains the drawer. We click on drawer. For the drawer, it contains the reset password and logout buttons, so user can log out to the application by clicking the logout button here. So that's all for my presentation.